Electric pickup trucks have yet to achieve the same level of popularity as their gasoline-powered counterparts. The Chevrolet Silverado EV officially hit the market in 2024, but with only 7,428 units sold, it barely made a dent compared to the traditional Silverado, which saw 560,264 units sold in the same period. Chevrolet, however, is not giving up and is pushing forward to generate excitement with a new high-performance, off-road version of its electric truck. Enter the Silverado EV ZR2, a race-ready machine designed to compete in the legendary Mint 400, an intense off-road race in Nevada happening this week. But what is even more exciting is that this racing truck serves as a sneak peek at the upcoming Trail Boss off-road trim, which is expected to hit roads later this year. The Silverado EV ZR2 was developed in just 5 months and is built with approximately 98% General Motors production parts. Compared to the standard Silverado EV, this off-road beast is equipped with reinforced front and rear suspension components that have been specially tuned for rugged terrains. The truck also boasts a significant lift, thanks in part to its massive 37-inch BF Goodrich KM3 mud terrain tires, which contribute to its aggressive stance and improved ground clearance. One of the standout features of this race truck is the advanced Multimatic semi-active spool valve dampers. Chevrolet describes them as prototype units designed to provide an impressive 13 inches of front and rear wheel travel. The truck also includes locking differentials and reinforced skid plates to shield critical components from damage during rough races. But here is where things get really interesting. Under the hood, the Silverado EV ZR2 is packing a serious punch with a tri-motor electric powertrain that cranks out a mind-blowing 1,100 horsepower. That is a huge step up from the most powerful, street-legal Silverado EV RST, which tops out at 754 horsepower with its dual-motor setup. The ZR2's high-performance electric drivetrain is likely adapted from the tri-motor system found in the top-tier Hummer EV pickup, which shares the same General Motors electric vehicle platform. Chevrolet claims the powertrain delivers 11,500 pound-feet of torque, which matches the figure stated for the Hummer EV. However, this measurement is taken at the wheels, a method that tends to exaggerate the number. A more conventional measurement likely puts the real torque figure somewhere between 1,000 and 1,100 pound-feet, which is still incredibly impressive for an electric truck. The Silverado EV ZR2 will take on the Mint 400 alongside its gasoline-powered siblings, the Silverado ZR2 and Colorado ZR2, all entered by Chad Hall Racing. Chevrolet engineers will collaborate closely with the racing team to gather data that will be used to enhance future production vehicles and performance accessories. Meanwhile, Chevrolet is gearing up to finally introduce the 2026 Silverado EV Trail Boss, a rugged off-road trim that was initially teased in 2022. Delays in Silverado EV production pushed back its launch, but the wait is almost over. The Trail Boss will come equipped with a factory-installed lift, 18-inch wheels wrapped in 35-inch all-terrain tires, red tow hooks, and a specialized terrain driving mode. The version shown ahead of its release is finished in a bold red-orange shade, featuring a redesigned front bumper and exclusive wheels. More details on this highly anticipated model will be available soon. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest updates.